Hi there. So 2 years ago I've made a painting and I tried to paint like Leonid Afremov, but this painting failed, and on that canvas I made another painting and it was titled Two Lovers, and it was a very nice painting of two weeping willows. And so this time we make another trial for a painting in the style of Leonid Afremov, which I very prefer that style, and sometimes I paint similar, but I never tried really to paint such an alley with two lovers. And so I found this painting in my basement. It's from a painting of a wood, and on this canvas we will paint our new romantic painting, and I hope this time we will paint it right.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time?
This is a wonderful piece of wood, and I often go hiking here. And this is the live tree, and I always visit him and hug him, and it's always a nice experience.
Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born,
we have to drive to the animal clinic with Tini again.
Create a dream come true. So they sprinkle dust in your hair, a golden starlight in your eyes of blue. So that's why all the guys in town follow you all around. Ooh, just like me, they long to be close to you.
So 2012, 12/21 passed by and nothing happened, okay? But I was rather disappointing, I have to confess, but such little things like this one here, I can tell you, it's layered sponge cake triangles with Jamaican rum. 40% helped me over this, and I must confess I'm chocolate addicted, you know. But I have to lose much weight now, because otherwise I could not go to the beach in spring now and enjoy summer.
They follow you all around, ooh, 'cause just like me, they long to be close to you. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Just like me, they long to be close to you.